In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let customers upload files in Tidio. This can be a game changer in enhancing your customer interaction, making it easier for them to share documents, images, or any necessary files directly through your chat interface. So let's dive right in and see how you can set this up. First, you'll want to navigate to your Tidio dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and select the Flow section. Here is where all the magic happens, and where you'll find the freedom to customize and streamline your interactions. If you already have a flow where you want to collect these files, you can simply edit that one. Otherwise, you might want to create a new flow to suit this specific need. Now, an essential step in this process is utilizing the Send a Form action, or node. This is a particularly useful feature built right into your widget, which allows you to configure and send forms to your visitors smoothly. Once you open up the form builder, you have the option to add various fields. Specifically, you'll want to include a field of type file. This is the critical addition that allows your visitors to upload files directly from their devices into your chat. It's straightforward and very intuitive to set up. What's great about the file upload field is that you have the flexibility to decide if this field is required or optional. Depending on the nature of your business or the kind of information you need from your customers, you can set this preference to ensure you collect all necessary data in one go. This saves both you and your visitors time and effort, ensuring a seamless communication flow. Besides the file upload field, you might also want to include other important fields in the same form. These can be for collecting the visitor's name, their email, or perhaps a brief description of the issue they're facing. Tailoring your form to capture the right information can significantly enhance the efficiency of your customer support or the service you're offering. Once your visitor has filled out the form and hit submit, the uploaded file will appear as a handy link within the chat conversation. This link will be easily accessible for your agents to click on or download, allowing them to review the file and provide assistance or information more accurately and efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a file upload option into your Tidio chat. As simple as these steps may seem, they open up a new avenue of communication between you and your customers, streamlining the process and ensuring that everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel ready to implement this feature into your Tidio setup. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.